Once upon a time, on a warm sunny day in Mayville, Humpty Dumpty, the cheerful egg with a big bright smile, decided to climb the tallest wall in the village square. Humpty wasn't your ordinary egg. He loved adventure and exploring new places. He wore his favorite red bow tie and climbed ever so carefully to find the perfect spot to sit. Humpty enjoyed watching people from up high. The villagers seemed like tiny toys from where he sat, and the birds would fly by, chirping happy tunes. Isn't this just exciting? Humpty chuckled to himself. However, Humpty's best friend, Lizzie the lizard, wasn't too thrilled about Humpty's choice. Lizzie was known for being cautious, always considering the outcomes before acting. "Humpty, be careful up there. It might get windy," she called up, watching him nervously from below. "Oh, Lizzie, I'll be just fine," Humpty replied cheerfully. "I want to see the world from up here." As he enjoyed the view, Humpty noticed something sparkling in the distance. It was the Mayville Parade, a cherished event with elephants, colorful floats, and bands playing melodious tunes. "Oh, I must see this up close," Humpty said to himself. But suddenly, a little gust of wind whooshed down the street. It was just strong enough to make Humpty wobbly. Before he knew it, Humpty tumbled. "Oh no!" cried Lizzie. Luckily, the villagers sprang into action as quick as a flash. With caring hearts, they rushed to Humpty's side and gently pieced him back together with a clever bit of tape and glue that they always kept around just in case of cracked pottery accidents. Humpty learned that even though he liked adventures, being with friends was what mattered most. Lizzie was relieved and happy that Humpty was safe. "Let's keep our feet firmly on the ground for our next adventure," Lizzie suggested. Humpty agreed, promising to bring his adventurous spirit to safer exploits. And from then on, the duo shared countless adventures and stories, but with Humpty swearing to never sit on tall walls again.